Hey guys, well, it's officially fall, so we know what that means. Soup season. I love soup. I don't want to eat it in the summertime, but I love having it in the fall and winter. And tonight we're going to make a classic taco soup. Now, I know taco soup has been big in the last few years. Everybody makes it. But I've had this recipe for, I think, about 21 years, and I got it from someone at Weight Watchers. When I was going to Weight Watchers after my youngest son was born, and he's 21. So I've been doing this for about 21 years, and I was going to show you the written recipe I have, and you can see where my kid has drawn all over it for the years and how old and worn it is. So this has definitely been an oldie but a goodie for us. I absolutely love taco soup. So I'm going to show you how we make it. Okay, we're going to start out by browning 2 pounds of ground beef. Now I like to make a big pot of soup, so I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef. If your family is smaller, y'all don't want as much, you can totally cut this recipe in half. With my ground beef, I'm also going to brown 1 large onion. I had a purple onion in my refrigerator, so that's what I'm using. So 1 large onion, chopped up. I'm gonna get this browned up, get it drained, and then I'll come back and show you what's next. Okay, now we've got our meat browned up and our onions browned up, and y'all can't see probably because of this steam, but now it's pretty much just dump and go. So to this, I'm gonna add 2 cans of ranch style beans with the juice. I'm adding in 2 cans of Rotel, your favorite kind of Rotel. We like the mild, so I'm adding in 2 cans of Rotel. I'm adding in 2 cans of dark red kidney beans that have been drained and rinsed. Now I'm going to add in 2 cans of whole kernel corn that's been drained. The original recipe calls for shoe peg corn, but that can get a little pricey. So I just use regular whole kernel corn. So 2 cans drained. Now I'm going to add in 2 packages of taco seasoning. Use your favorite taco seasoning. Now I'm going to add in the equivalent of 2 packages of Hidden Valley Ranch powder seasoning. I didn't buy the packet since I had this, but you would put in 2 packs if you're doubling the recipe like me. So I'm gonna just eyeball this and put in what I think is about 2 packs. All right, now you're just gonna add enough water to make it the consistency you want. I'm starting out with 4 cups. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 more cup. Okay, so now all you're gonna do is stir that together really, really well. And you wanna go ahead and taste it to see if you need to add any seasonings. The taco seasoning and the ranch seasoning is pretty salty, so I wouldn't recommend adding salt until you taste it. That's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more ranch. And I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt. Okay guys, that's it. Super easy, super delicious. So what I'm going to do now is just heat this up to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer 15 to 30 minutes just to let all those flavors kind of meld together. And then once we do that, it'll be time to eat. Hey guys. Aaron, are you excited? Okay, we are back with our taco soup. I let it simmer for 30 minutes or so, and this is what we've got. I've got a little sour cream on mine. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is how the boys like to eat it. They put cheese on it and put sour cream on it. I like to just put a little bit of sour cream on mine. And then we like to eat it with tortilla chips. So we are fixing to go in for the taste test. Aaron, it's really hot. It's really hot. Be careful. Did you get you a bite? Aaron, we forgot your talker. Hold on, let's get his talker so he can tell us what he thinks. Okay, we got his talker. While he's looking that up, this is really good. It's been a cold, rainy day here today, and this is perfect for supper tonight. I know, has it been raining, Aaron? And so we are fixing to get in front of the TV, curl up with a blanket, and eat this delicious soup. I hope y'all try it. It has lots of flavor, and our family loves it. So let me know if you give it, give our version a try. So Aaron, are you ready to tell me what you thought of it? Okay, what'd you think?
Yummy.
Can you turn it up so they could hear it a little better? I don't know if y'all could hear that.
Yummy.
Oh, did you think it was yummy? Was it yummy for our tummy? Yummy for our tummy. Thank y'all for tuning in. And let me know if you try our taco soup. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.